Picture this. Scarlett Johansson steps onto the stage, lights dancing off her outfit, casting a shimmering glow. She's not just here to promote her latest film, Fly Me to the Moon. She's making a fashion statement that's impossible to ignore. Over the past week, Scarlett has treated us to a sartorial spectacle, each look more dazzling than the last, and it's been nothing short of a style odyssey. A Gingham dream. The journey begins with a stop earlier this week. Scarlett emerges, radiating confidence in an ensemble that could only be described as delightfully unexpected. She wears an embellished pink gingham crop top and skirt set from Prada. The outfit sparkles under the lights, thanks to a beaded trim that adds just the right amount of shimmer. It's playful, it's chic, and it's quintessentially Scarlett, a perfect reflection of the romantic comedy she's here to promote. As the cameras flash, you can't help but be drawn into the whimsical charm of her look. The pink gingham, a nod to classic patterns, is elevated by Prada's masterful touch. It's a look that says she's here to have fun, to dazzle, and to set the tone for the fashion journey ahead. A starry night in Berlin. Fast forward to the Berlin premiere, and the scene shifts dramatically. Scarlett steps onto the red carpet, and the crowd gasps. She's traded in the playful gingham for something far more glamorous, an Erdem dress that's nothing short of a masterpiece. The dress, with its spaghetti strap silhouette and black straps, is adorned with heavy red jewel embellishments. These jewels, glistening like stars, are scattered across the sequined fabric, creating a celestial pattern that captivates under the spotlight. It's as if the night sky itself has been woven into the fabric, a fitting tribute to the film's space race backdrop. But there's more to the dress than meets the eye. A red silk underlayer peeks out at the hem and bra line, adding a sultry twist to the elegant ensemble. The contrast between the shimmering jewels and the sleek red silk is pure magic, and Scarlett carries it off with unparalleled grace. The perfect finishing touches. Every great outfit needs the right accessories, and Scarlett's look is no exception. Stylist Kate Young pairs the dress with black patent leather sandals that feature a pointed, silver-tipped toe, a modern, edgy choice that grounds the ethereal quality of the dress. Her diamond-studded earrings, designed to resemble bursts, mirror the dress's starry embellishments, tying the whole look together. Makeup artist Huang Vanngo gives Scarlett a bold red lip that pops against her fair skin, while hairstylist David Von Cannon styles her hair in loose, effortless waves. The result? A look that's as breathtaking as it is memorable. Embracing fashion risks. What makes Scarlett's fashion journey so captivating is her willingness to take risks. These looks, while different from her usual style, showcase her ability to step out of her comfort zone and embrace the extraordinary. It's a reminder that sometimes, in fashion as in life, taking risks can lead to the most dazzling results. A cinematic love story. As we follow Scarlett's fashion journey, it's impossible not to get excited about Fly Me to the Moon. In the film, she plays a marketing executive who finds herself swept up in a romance with a NASA bigwig, played by Channing Tatum, amidst the thrilling backdrop of the 1960s space race. It's a love story that promises to be as enchanting as Scarlett's tour looks, and it's set to open this weekend. Final thoughts. Scarlett Johansson's promotional tour for Fly Me to the Moon has been a fashion fairy tale, each look telling its own story. From the playful Prada gingham set to the celestial splendor of the Erdem dress, she's shown us the power of bold, beautiful fashion. As we eagerly anticipate her next appearance, one thing is clear. Scarlett Johansson is not just a movie star, she's a fashion icon.